good to be alive.
Okay, so we're doing a countdown, aren't we? Or is it a countdown or count up? Wait. No, well, whatever it is, we're doing it from the December 1st to the 25th. And yeah, it's 25 days.
We must interrupt this exciting experience with a Christmas joke.
What did the snowman say to the customer?
I think you're gonna tell me.
Have an ice day. Brr.
Now, you get to share in the fun. You have 10 seconds to find the elf on the shelf, and after 10 seconds, we will show you where she actually is. It's kind of like Where is Waldo? Only it's elf on the shelf. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? There she is. Little rascal.
We're happy it's a Merry Christmas and today is the 25th, but we're sad we have to say goodbye to our elf on the shelf. And a very special shout out to Maddie Gamlam. We hope you feel better. Every day we're going to feature a new Christmas house. I think this is the winner. Mistletoe, uh-oh. Oh, baby Jesus. It's been so fun talking to you guys this December. We had a really fun time spending the holidays with you guys. Merry Christmas. Bye. Happy New